Okay, you guys. So, as you can see behind me, our blueberry bush is ready for the harvest. So, what I thought is you guys, remember I said I like to share? Well, I thought you guys could join me today on a blueberry harvest. Do you see these incredible blueberries? I cannot wait to use them in our smoothies, in my ice cream, my vegan ice cream. I cannot wait to use them in my pancakes. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna freeze them and I am also gonna juice some of them. Remember when I told you these blueberries are freaking incredible because they strengthen the lining of your veins. Therefore, if you're someone who has fissures or hemorrhoids or any inflammation in your cardiovascular system, increasing the strength of the lining of your veins helps to reduce inflammation. So anyway, come on with me, you guys. Let's go. Now, these yummy blueberries are the best natural source for antioxidants. They're known to help lower cholesterol and lower your blood pressure. Now, before I get started harvesting those yummy blueberries, you know your girl had to go through the garden and harvest some of our incredible gladiolus. I love to grow them in this season. It gives me a chance to have fresh bouquet of flowers in the house, mostly all summer long. Look at this beautiful flower, you guys. I literally plant gladiola bulbs throughout my garden space so that I can always have an unexpected splash of color or beautiful, exciting glimpse of beauty throughout the garden all year long. And then I had to take a quick blueberry snack break before I got started. So now let's harvest us some blueberries. You pretty much just have to shake the vine and the ripe ones fall off. Oh. You guys, I'm so excited because I'm getting so many blueberries. But believe it or not, this is only a quarter of the bush. And I will be harvesting blueberries for the next month to come. Oh my God. Okay, it's getting a little dark out here, so I think it's probably about time for me to go in. But I was able to get an incredible harvest today, literally. So I was able to harvest this incredible bouquet of gladiolas that I'm gonna take into the house. And I was able to harvest my yummy, yummy organic blueberries. I am beyond thrilled to be able to freeze some tonight and use them in the morning for a smoothie. So anyway, let me get in the house. It's a little dark. And soon I'm going to tell you guys about a new discovery that I have found that I use in the garden. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Anyway, have an amazing evening. Bye. And again, thank you for following me. And remember, you can do it too. Bye.